What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy, Destroyer Motors. Right now, y'all can barely see me because I'm in the dark. It's nighttime. But today's video is gonna be the making of my intro for the channel. So right now, look at Will flying. Hey, yeah, I got my boy with me. I don't even know if the camera got it for real. I got it faced towards me, but like I was saying, today gonna be the making of my intro or whatever. So I got my boy Bryce and Will. They about to help me do it. We about to right now I'm about to get a little wash right quick because my car dirty. How can I do an intro with a dirty car? Look at that CTSV on. Ooh, that boy sexy. It's crazy because that CTSV used to be by my girlfriend's house, but he moved to something like that. But like I was saying though, yeah, they about to help me shoot this intro. Right now we about to get a car wash, and we about to shoot downtown Dallas to you know, take some pictures and make the intro, whatever. So yeah, this gonna be, to me, this about to be a banger. This about to be a little fun to me. So yeah, that's what we about to do right now. I'm about to I could show y'all me washing the car, but I really don't need that. Yeah, I know y'all really don't be caring to see me wash this car, unless y'all do. If y'all do, well, all right, cool. I might do it sometime. But that's about it. I'm about to flip this camera around so y'all can see my boy Bryce and Will again. Bryce do YouTube too, and I'm gonna leave his information or whatever in the description. So yeah. I don't know if y'all can see it. Dirt. My boy Will, I remember my nigga Will. Brother. I got my boy Bryce right here. What's up, my guy? What's up, my guy? Hey, we both doing it now. Yes, sir. We about to get this wash going, though. I'm just about to do something like nothing too crazy. Hey, I ain't leave no window down over there, Bryce. All right, just making sure. All right. So this car about to be clean, just like that. Nah, it's clean and all wet and washed. So just something too quick, nothing too crazy. So I got my boys right here. Hey, you heard what I called you at the end of my last video?
Nah, what you called me?
Handyman Will. Then let me think. We got to get him a name now. Benson. That's personal though. Hey, they don't know about Benson. They don't know about, that come from them gaming nights when we used to stay up all night and all that, bro. That's what that is. If y'all don't know what Benson is like, I watch a lot of regular show. That's why I gave it to him. That's what that is, man. But these my guys right here for real. I wish David could have been here, but I think he got to work or something like that. But hey, Bryce, what whip should he get, man? He trying to get something.
He's on the what?
He trying to get a new whip.
What's trying to get, bro?
I don't know. Right now, I'm kind of leaning towards the
Charger. That's your only option?
Right now, it is.
Right now. What you think?
Fire, bro.
Fire, right? You too, right? You too.
Hey, I want to scat that. Yeah.
You feel me? Hey, let them know.
Bro, you know they going for like, I be seeing some online for like 30,000.
Yeah, they not that bad. They not that bad, honestly. Huh? No, I'm gonna drive and let it dry off like that. We about to go to we about to ride around Deep Ellum. Alright. So yeah, that's what we about to do now. For behind the scenes footage, check out his channel. I'm gonna leave his description. I'm gonna leave his description. I'm gonna leave his info in the description. That's what I'm gonna do. My boy Will, I'm gonna put some money in your pocket. Yeah, it's my boys. All right, let me just flip it right quick. I'm gonna just cut this. Will look good on me. Alright, I'm gonna just cut this camera back on and probably a little clips of me driving and when we get to where we going. So no, I don't think I need a GPS. It ain't that. I know where to go. But yeah, I'll cut the camera back on. Well, we made it downtown Dallas. So I'm just like, I should have, matter of fact, I am when I get a chance. I'm about to put the phone on the phone holder. Alright, I'm just giving y'all a little POV drive. Me just driving down here. It's kind of packed tonight, man. I don't know what they got going on. My boy Will about to fly past. Look. Oh, he probably about to say something. You see, fuck it. I don't know if y'all see his car right there. You trying to be petty again?
Huh?
Sound kind of good in that tunnel, okay. I don't know where he went. There you go. Let me fix this camera a little bit. Oh yeah, y'all see the city view or whatever. Put it back straight though. My goal was to be down here, just like specifically. I don't know where I'm going. I really don't. I know my coworker, he told me it's a nice spot down here with a big screen or whatever. I'm about to try to look for it. I'm gonna try to look for it. If I can't find it, oh well. I'm gonna have to find it somewhere else. That's how I get this sound on here. It's really gonna be right now, I'm just cruising though. So much I'm cruising. It's like a wheel. Let me ask Bryce, cause he actually be down here. Hey Bryce, you know any spots down here? Alright, I think I know one, cause my coworker told me I just gotta find it. He said somewhere like where it's a big screen at or something like that. Yeah, and just like that, the camera back on, man. So, I made it to the little spot that I'm at. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to get ready to do the intro and take some pictures for real while I'm down here. So, yeah. So, ooh, that's a hard thumbnail. That's a hard thumbnail. It's a good background too, everything good. It's low-key cold out here for real, but it could be 0 degrees, man. I gotta do what I gotta do for real and get this content. Got my boys with me, they about to help me. They just parked up. So, yeah, right now I'm about to do this. I'm about to have Bryce record, do what he do. Work his magic with the camera. So, yeah, we're gonna do that. This is a hard picture right there. That's just hard. All right, so we just got done making the intro and taking a picture, so we got all that out the way. So I ain't gonna say it's a wrap for this video, but it's coming to the end. You know what I'm saying? So we about to do that. Well, we just did that. We got the beast in the back, the little baby beast. Got the other beast, other baby beast, Malibu and Charger. That's the duo going on right now. And my boy Will on the. Hey Will, when you gonna start rapping? Remember we was making beats and music when we used to be on the game. Hot Grease Records. Tell them Hot Grease Records.
Hot Grease Records.
Hey Rick Ross, come holler at us, man. hey, what that Maybach music? Yeah.
Maybach.
Hey. Stupid. Bro, he is silly, bro, I swear. That's my brother though, for real. But yeah, and we got my boy right here. Hey twin. Hey twin. No, I'm fucking with you. I ain't the only one who heard that. Okay, I'm gonna make sure I ain't tripping. But yeah, that's what we about to do.
You got the picture I sent you?
Yeah, I got him.
I got the ones where you sit down too.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
See, that's one of my boy. Yeah. All right, well, hold on. Let me catch this nigga. this nigga don't be like he got an extra life in the spirit, bro. I'm like,
I was like, God damn. I'm like, yo, get your out, bro.
Bro. Yeah, that nigga will, bro. I be trying to low-key cruise sometimes. See this? Oh, man. Gas was at 325 miles. This shit is at 262. But I ain't gonna lie, like gas in it really burns your gas. Like, look, you about to tell this man I'm trying to chill. Alright. Shit. I thought that car was about to get over. I ain't gonna lie. So yeah, man, what happened with that? This last clip that just happened, the storage ran out and the whole video ended up stopping. So it's all good. It was pretty much a wrap for that video anyway. You know what I'm saying? So I think this was a good video. Like to me, this video was it was the most fun video I had, I would say. Like, you know, 'cause I got the link with my boys and whatnot. And I ain't did that in a minute, you know what I'm saying? We all had fun. As y'all see, my boy Bryce, he do YouTube too. I'm gonna leave his information in my description. And for the behind the scenes, y'all could go to his channel and watch, you know, me and Will cutting up in traffic and, you know what I'm saying, us cruising and stuff like that, doing stupid stuff. Even, I mean, I ain't getting it on camera, but even we was like, you know, honking the horn, making little songs and stuff with the horn on the freeway, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, y'all could go to his page and see all that. He got all the behind the scenes. I just got on the scenes, you know? So, yeah, man, right now I'm tired. I got to work in the morning, so. That was pretty much a wrap for this video, though, man. I hope y'all enjoyed it for real, man. Like this was a banger. You know what I'm saying? So, hope y'all enjoy it for real. I enjoyed it, and I'm not even watching it. I'm doing it. But I enjoyed it. It was fun. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully we get to do more stuff like that in the future, you know what I'm saying? Stuff. More vlogging and whatnot. But appreciate y'all. Appreciate them too for helping me out do this. I didn't have to do that. But yeah, it's gonna be a wrap for this video, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Hope y'all enjoy it. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. See, bro, I be saying stupid stuff. Like, comment, and subscribe. There we go. Yeah, that'll be all for this video.